Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install an iPhone-like keyboard on Redmi 14R. To install an iPhone-like keyboard, go to Play Store, then make sure you are in Search tab and search for Green Apple keyboard. Then download this green app with Apple on it. And then after a short while, click on Open. Then enable in Settings. Tap on Off to switch it to On. Click on OK. You can see it switches to On next to Green Apple keyboard. Then you can go back and click on Switch Input Methods and switch it to Green Apple keyboard. Then click on OK and click on Finished. And now let's, for example, go to the Google to test the keyboard. You can see this is my new keyboard. I can search for something just like that. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.